Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need an Ncell SIM, a VoLTE-capable phone, and a current firmware. First, check phone settings. Open mobile network, enable VoLTE or enhanced 4G LTE. You may need to restart after changing settings. That registers the device with Ncell's IMS. Once done, insert the SIM into the primary SIM slot if dual SIM, because VoLTE often requires SIM1. Make sure mobile data is enabled. VoLTE requires an active data connection, even for voice, to use IMS signaling. If your plan lacks VoLTE, contact Ncell to enable it. Next, configure APN and IMS if your phone exposes them. Go to Access Point Names, confirm Ncell APN settings match Ncell's current values. APN name, MCC/MNC, and APN protocol IP4/IP6. Then check IMS registration status in Phone Info or Field Test mode. You should see IMS registered. Once the IMS is registered, make a test call and watch for VoLTE or HD voice indicator. If call downgrades to 3G or 2G, toggle airplane mode briefly and retest. This forces re-registration with the network. Finalize by verifying call quality and enabling VoLTE only if available for stable HD voice. Make several short calls across different locations to confirm handovers. Note battery and data usage changes so you can judge performance. If you encounter problems, remove and reinsert the SIM, reboot, and verify network selection is set to LTE/4G. Troubleshooting tip. If VoLTE still fails, check if your Ncell plan includes VoLTE or contact Ncell support with your IMEI and IMS registration logs. They can provision IMS on their side.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.